welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Just a quick, well not quick, just a tour of my allotment. As you can see, it was on quite a way. This is I'm really pleased about. Let's get some tomatoes and some other stuff going in, some chilies, and get my ceilings put in. So all this is mine now, which I'm really pleased about. Just have a cup of tea there, 2 water butts. As you can see, it's got these beds. I could have had another one that had more sunshine, but it needed a lot more work doing. So yeah, so it's nice path down the middle. All that needs cutting back and weeding, as you can see. But yeah, I'm going to measure all this up, work out what goes where. Yeah, compost bins. Some runners have been down there. Looks like there's some raspberry canes in here, I think. It goes right down to there and back up. So, yeah, fair old distance. It won't take much to get it into a decent shape. As you can see, things are in from last year. But yeah, so excited. Ready to get a whole new lot of vegetables on this year. So, organic, free range, looking forward to it. Take it back to the end of the path here. If you've got any suggestions on what to grow, I'd appreciate if you message me. I'm open to any suggestions. I'm just really excited. Just really excited. Yeah, a bit of work to do, but well worth it. I'm really looking forward to getting cracking with it this week, as long as the rain stays off. Right, here we are in the greenhouse. I'm so glad that I don't have to make one myself. It's already up. It's pretty strong as well. Done a good job of it. Need to get these brambles off, get cleaned up, and then I can get plenty of seed sorted in here. So yeah, if you've got any ideas on what to grow, I'd really appreciate any suggestions. This is my first allotment. I hope you're going to enjoy the journey with me as I start growing some fruit and vegetables, and plenty of room for my flowers now, which I'm over the moon with. So yeah, really made out of 3-inch PVC sections. That's some 3-inch rise with these. Yeah, really nice. Got a lot of this to sort through. A lot of this needs chucking away, but yeah. Hopefully keeps the wind off. I can sit in and have a cup of tea in between the showers and then start some weeding. So if you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask. If you like the videos, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. And remember, happy sowing, happy growing, folks. Have a good day, everybody. Thank you, bye.